Today, we will continue talking about jobs in tourism, and we will focus on the job of a tour operator and travel agent. A tour operator is a person or a company who creates holiday packages or package tours. A tour operator creates itineraries as well. So, what is an itinerary? An itinerary is a plan of a route or journey. It is a detailed plan. You can imagine it as a piece of paper with all the details about the days of the journey. For example, day 1, flight to Istanbul. Day 2, sightseeing. Day 3, a day trip to Bursa. Tour operators negotiate with hoteliers and airlines. Tour operators sign contracts and they make bulk purchases. To sign means to put your signature on a document. A contract is a document signed by two parties showing mutual obligations. So, tour operators sign contracts. Tour operators make bulk purchases because they want to get discounts. Bulk means a large quantity. Purchase is an act of buying. Bulk purchase is an act of buying goods or services in large quantities so that the buyer gets discounts, lower prices. Tour operators also charter planes. To charter means to hire, to rent a plane for a special purpose. There is a difference between regular flights or scheduled flights and charter flights. Regular flights or scheduled flights are organized by an airline. For example, there is a regular flight from Belgrade to Budapest every Tuesday and Sunday. Charter flights are not regular flights. They are organized by a tour operator. For example, Kontiki organized charter flights to Turkey this summer. These flights are not regular. Tour operators are in constant contact with airlines and hotels. A tour operator sends rooming lists to hotels and flight manifests to airlines. A rooming list is a list which contains names of the passengers on a tour and the type of room they need. So, a tour operator sends rooming lists to hotels. A tour operator sends flight manifests to airlines. A flight manifest is a list of the passengers on the plane. So, once again, a tour operator is in constant contact with airlines and hotels, and the tour operator sends rooming lists to hotels and flight manifests to airlines. Tour operators recruit holiday representatives, who are also called tour representatives, resort representatives, tour reps, and so on, and train them. So, tour operators are in charge of tour reps. To recruit means to hire somebody for a job, to employ someone. So, tour operators recruit holiday representatives. Tour operators plan advertising and promotion strategy. They design brochures and promotional materials on the web. Many tour operators have a retail service too. A retail service is service that sells goods in small quantities directly to customers. As opposed to that, travel agent sells ready-made package tours. Also, airline tickets, insurance, car rental, and accommodation as a separate element of travel. When travel agents sell a service, they get a commission. A commission is the percentage of a total price which is given to the person who sells the product or service. Typically, a travel agent gets a 10% commission. Travel agents issue tickets. To issue means to produce an official document. When it comes to marketing, travel agents order stocks of brochures for rack display. In the photo, you can see a rack display of brochures. A rack is a special shelf and display is exhibit or show. Travel agents need to know all the details of the package tour and accommodation because they are expected to give advice. That is why a tour operator organizes familiarization trip for travel agents. A FAM trip is a trip where travel agents stay in a resort for a few days and visit all hotels, rooms, and facilities so that they have a first-hand experience and can honestly recommend the best option to clients. Now, which job do you like more? That of a tour operator or a travel agent? Why? Explain your choice.